Finally, we have Brik Exchange. Brik Exchange is a hybrid banking platform between decentralized financial instruments and traditional US banking gateways. Brik builds self-custody solutions for digital money with blockchain, Brik checking accounts, and a real estate-backed stablecoin.
Hi, my name is Igor Khmel. I'm still the founder of Brik Real Estate Investment Community Platform. I was born in Ukraine. I won Ukrainian Computer Science Olympiad, and I came to the United States in 2009 to study in Stanford Business School. Before that, I was in McKinsey & Company, and I made internship in Citadel Hedge Fund. I consulted with BBA Innovations. I was head of innovation in the leading bank in Eastern Europe, in Sberbank, and I'm doing fintech for the last 10 years. In 2017, I started a company called BankX, and we did the top 20 initial coin offerings in the world. And even in 2018, I became even a billionaire for 1 week, while my currency that my company issued reached total market cap more than $1 billion. So I had a dream that as I'm following for the last 4 years to build vertically integrated ecosystem and to enable a new asset class based on the blockchain technology. I believe blockchain technology at this stage is ready, especially with DeFi markets, which grow 100 times for the last year. It's ready to tokenize and to enter a real estate market. We're going after hard money loans market, and our service available market is CMBS, and further it's mortgage market. So we're working to change the way how it's financed traditionally versus the new way. So traditionally, real estate finance through sponsor, commercial real estate finance for sponsor, SGP, LP financing, and bank finance. So instead of LP financing, we're issuing a token called SQFT, which is square foot, and we're replicating completely the funding structure. For bank financing, we're using the new token called stablecoin USD, and also for profit participation and protocol governance, we're using the token called Brik. Altogether, we are building the marketplace with 3 sides participants. It's originators, borrowers, it's capital providers for leverage, which is banks for pension funds and trust, and finally, it's capital providers for equity for LP, which is crypto markets. Originators can trade their originated loans through the marketplace that we are working with, that connects borrowers and originators of the capital with CMBS trusts and institutional investors. In terms of equity financing and LP financing, we have, as I said, 3 types of token: SQFT, which is index coin, which is equal for week moving median square foot price nationally, stablecoin USD, and Brik governance token. We believe SQFT is the best coin to use to measure capital real estate market, because this is standardized measurement existing right now, and there is a number of data sources for that. Particularly on this slide, you see the data source for Redfin, which showing that the current SQFT rate is about $180, and it grow 17–18% versus the last year. Our revenue model is 2% SQFT origination fee, the same as USD, and up to 20% profits from the Brik, which is profit participation in real estate. We already got significant traction with the market players, insiders. So we got strategic partners in terms of management company, which manages 3,000 properties at this stage and headquartered here in the Bay Area. And we talked to a number of underwriters, and they expressed interest on the underwriters such as Morgan Stanley Digital Asset Desk, Credit Suisse, and also interest from Quicken Loan and others. And we talked to a number of data providers such as Redfin, CoreLogic, and all of them they interested to collaborate and provide the data for that. As well, industry VCs are interested to support us in Series A, such as CME Venture, Chicago Merchant Exchange, Camber Creek, CoreLogic, VC, People. Our competitors, they consist out of traditional players such as Roofstock, Point, as well as blockchain players such as Figure. Figure is the biggest player on this market right now. So they were founded in January 2018. They're doing the marketplace for HELOCs, home equity line of credits, and it's backed by blockchain platform provenance.io that they built. And the total credit line is more than $1 billion $1 billion provided JP Morgan, WSFS, Jeffrey Bank. The total figure valuation right now, $3.2 billion that they reached in 3 years after launch. Our target is to grow till 10 billion in SQFT and about 5 billion in Brik. So it's going to be one of the top stable coins on the market, comparable with Coinbase stable coins. And we believe this will get a lot of traction and demand in China, since the Chinese and Asian and mid as well as Dubai and the Middle East investors, they're usually the traditional buyers of a US real estate. So in this case, they are not even supposed to visit US in order to get exposure to US real estate market. They can do this while like staying in their countries. So there will be significant demand. Second part of the demand is the crypto investors who are looking for hedge when there is a volatility of Bitcoin or when the Bitcoin is going down. So this is basically the perfect hedge assets against volatility. We are raising $2 million at this stage, and we are doing this through two terms. It's equity as well as tokenization and pre-sale of Brik.